A uniform circular disc is being pulled by a force F through a string attached to its center of mass. Assume that the disc is rolling without slipping. That means pure rolling. At a certain instant of time, in which region of the disc, if any, is there a point with zero acceleration? So here what we understand is the acceleration of the disc is to the right, is it not? That means the disc center is moving to the right with some acceleration. If C is the center, then acceleration of center of mass is towards the right side. Now, as this disc is moving with an acceleration pure rolling, that means there will be alpha, is it not? So that acceleration of ACM is equal to alpha into r, where r is the radius of the disc. Now we have to identify the acceleration of any point in this region. Let us say I choose a point P. So the acceleration of P with reference to ground, we need to ascertain it in ground reference frame. So this will be equal to acceleration of point P with reference to center plus acceleration of center with respect to ground. We have already seen that the acceleration of the center of mass with respect to ground is nothing but ACM to the right, is it not? ACM to the right, and therefore the acceleration of point P with respect to center is to be found out. Now with respect to center, point P is moving in a circular path. So just C is the center, point P is this point. So as a result, the acceleration of point P with reference to center is alpha into x, or small r you can take, where this is a small r, as well as this will be equal to, that is at that time, omega square into r, that is the acceleration. So this is acceleration of point P with reference to the center of mass. So now there are basically three vectors, and now we need to recognize, just look at this particular question. The question is asking that which region of the disk, if any, there is a point with zero acceleration. Look at the language of the question, zero acceleration. That means we need to find out that the vector sum of these three should be equal to 0. Now let us say that if point P I have taken, so point P permanent, there will be an acceleration towards the right, that is acceleration of center with reference to ground, that is ACM, is it not? So therefore the resultant of other two should be in the backward direction, then only this ACM will be nullified. I hope you understood. So that means further you see, if I take the region 1, this is region 1, so is the acceleration to the left side? No. If you take the region 2, in a region 2, this is point P, this is let's check this, I have taken 1. So in region 2, this is point P, this is the center. So with reference to center, there will be centripetal acceleration, that is omega square r, and there will be the tangential acceleration, that is alpha into r. This is region 2. So this is also not possible. Let us look at region 3. So in region 3, this is point P, this is the center. So with reference to the center, the acceleration of point P, first of all centripetal, omega square r, and this will be equal to alpha r. Will it be in the left side? I don't think so. This is region 3. And let us take a region 4. In region 4, if I take a point, that is point P is in this direction, C is in this direction, then what will happen, that acceleration of point P with reference to C has two components. This is omega square r, and this will be equal to alpha r, that is tangential acceleration. Yes, now we understand that the resultant of these two can be to the left side. Just see, this can nullify this acceleration of center of mass, because we require this acceleration. This should be acceleration with acceleration of point P with reference to center. So we notice that in region 4 there is a possibility. So let us mention the region 4 of the rolling disk has a point has a point whose acceleration with reference to ground, that is with respect to ground, is 0. So that is the conclusion of these questions, that is with respect to ground there will be a point on the rolling disk. Look at the figure, in region 4 this will happen. Thank you.